But there one line I see they have built.
Yeah,
They have built.
they have built
Yes.
collar in the neck.
The ring.
A ring.
Ring, yes.
A ring sometimes is for researchers from Congo. Sometimes they monitor them also when they cross here. They keep monitoring them.
Okay.
Just researchers, but not us. We don't do experiential, like track them, no. We don't
Yeah,
track
yeah.
them here.
I see there one have a ring.
Jan has a ring for
Yes.
Congolese. There is a department in Congo. It is ever monitoring the lions here because they cross borders. So sometimes they come here, sometimes they go to Congo.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
We got
Today
we get a good luck.
yeah. I know this animal is difficult to find.
Very difficult to find, yeah.
Yeah.
You see how it is moving? That is
Yes. It's a ring.
yeah.
I see under have some GPS something like that.
Yeah.
That is from Congo.
Eh?
That one is from Congo.
No, ziriwa nzibeerawo naye zitambula tukola ne Congo ffenna tukola mu kubanga kwongere kumpi
Okay.
naye kati bo waliwo research group ebeera nezinoonya mpola mpola.